Hello, this is a tutorial for Adobe InDesign 5.5. In this video, we will go over how to add text in graphics. If you've ever used Paint or other programs like that, this first tool should look familiar to you. The uppercase T is used to create text frames and edit text. You create a text frame by selecting the tool and then clicking and dragging anywhere on your workspace. When you let go, you will automatically be inside the frame, and anything you type will appear inside. You can also insert text from an external source, such as a Microsoft Word document. You do this by going to File, Place, and then selecting your text source. After you have selected your text, your mouse will turn into a place cursor. Now you can either click on an existing frame to put the text inside of it, or just click anywhere on the workspace, which will cause it to create a new frame and place the text inside. Clicking and dragging is another technique that you can use to place text, and this technique will invariably create a new frame. It also changes the size of the text to better fit the frame. To edit your text frame, you use the selection tool. This black arrow found in the tool window lets you select things, move them around, resize them, etc. Once you have your text, you can edit it in many different ways. As you can see, the font here is different and also larger than the rest of the font. The left side is for changing the style of the font and the size of the font. You also have several options for changing the font to make it underlined, struck through, all caps, which makes caps lock even more useless, etc. They're found to the right of where you can change the font style and size. Another important feature is fill, which lets you adjust the color of the font. Okay, now we're going to talk about how to insert graphics. Graphics are inserted into a document in the same way you insert text, by going to File and selecting Place. If you click on an image, you move the entire frame around. So, in order to change the actual position of the image, you click the double circle CD donut eyeball shaped thing in the middle, and that moves the actual picture rather than the entire frame. Double-clicking will select the image within the frame and let you move and edit it. This is the method you would use to edit the size of an image inside a frame, rather than editing the size of the frame itself. If you just need to make an image fit the frame, you can simply click the button at the top that says Fill Frame Proportionally. The last thing you need to know is how to change the order at which things are placed on top of each other. I'm just going to destroy the magazine real quick, sorry. Okay, now select the object you need to move in front or behind, and then go to Object, Arrange, and select one of the four options. Bring forward and send backward would only be necessary if you had more than two objects stacked on top of each other.